Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what you want to do is first load up the application. Right here, I will just go to the home screen. This is the first button at the bottom. Now after you've gone to Cryptomania, I just want to show you this article. Click on the 3 lines in the top right corner for the settings. If we go to the frequently asked questions, scroll down until you see Play Money. Here, under How can I withdraw Play Money, it's going to tell us that Cryptomania is a simulator, so you cannot withdraw or deposit Play Money because it is not real. Cryptomania Play Money is only quoted in the application, and you can spend your virtual savings in the in-game shops. If you go to the shop, you can see how you spend your money. But like I said, it's just a simulator, so you cannot withdraw money. This is not real money. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Cryptomania. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.